This is the boat that came in today, and since we didn't know the boat, we asked the owner of the boat to stay with us while we started it up, and it did not want to start this morning at all, but we were able to get it started. But he had a shopping list, and one thing on his shopping list was to go ahead and put a different cap on there. And since that top was cracked, there's a sample of the fuel that's in his tank, and that's probably from where every time he slowed down, water would splash up in here and splash water into his tank impeller. There's his old impeller, and it was about time to change it. His spark plugs needed to be changed. His fuel line's the old one with the liner, so we changed it, and we're changing out his tail light also. And so got his lower unit off, gonna put an impeller in it, change the fluids, and then probably just go ahead and drain the tank and get all the water out of the tank so that problem will go away.